Hi everybody, today we will make a nice info card with CSS. Let's get started. We will use the frontend library for the icons. First of all, we create the container div and create a div in it, and the class name will be card. With the h2 tag, we add the title, and then we add the arrow icon. We created a p tag, a lonely trip. We are creating a div for the background image, class name pic, and we create our own UL list for the dots on the left of the card, and we create 20 or 25 list elements inside. I have created 23. Now we are creating social media icons. Facebook, sorry, Facebook F, the Twitter, and Instagram, digital. And we will add the orange and blue colors you see here into the button. The button tag. Now we copy card1 for card2, add the card2 class here. Yes, it's done. Look at this. Now let's move on to CSS. We make the margin and padding values of all elements 0 and box size in border box. And icons will have a font size of 18 pixel. Its color will be white. Transform scale will be 0.1 and transition all 0.2 seconds is, and opacity will be 0. The background color of the body will be a color close to white. Its width will be 100 v per width, so it will cover the entire main screen. The height will be 100 v per height. Container class width will be 100%, width 100%, height 100%. We use display flex to align objects. We set it as justify content center for horizontal alignment and align item center for vertical alignment, and flex direction column to cover a single row cards. The position of the card class will be relative. We make the width 500 per pixel and height 200 pixel. Sorry, 200 pixel. We give the background color white and overflow hidden so that the contents of the card don't overflow out. Margin bottom will be 4 pixel. It will be a 4 pixel margin from the bottom. Now we will set the big dot that you see on the card. We will use before and after for this. The position will be absolute. The position will be adjusted according to the card. And minus 10 pixel from the top and 32 pixel from the left. And Z index 99. And width 16 pixel. Height 16 pixel, border radius 16 pixel. And background color and after that Now let's do the same print card after, but this time it will be minus 10 pixels from the bottom. And UL, we set the UL label. Position will be absolute, that's it. It will be positioned according to the cards. Left 39 pixel on the left and 5 pixel on the top. And this style none. And the width of the lee will be 2 pixel and height 2 pixel and border radius 2 pixel. The margin will be 6 pixel from top and bottom, 0 from right and left. The background color will be close to white. An H2 tag. Font family Poppins, 0 from the bottom and 130 pixel from the right. Font size will be 3.8 RAM, the font weight will be 700 and the color, position will be absolute. And second card, not North, voxel. Color white. Now let's set the arrow icon. Right. And position will be absolute. From the right 75 pixel will be 25 pixel from the bottom. The font size 2.5 RAM. Cursor will be pointer. Now let's add the style to the paragraph. Position will be absolute, 20 pixel from top and 70 pixel from right. And color dark gray. Font size 0.75 RAM and opacity 0.7. And letter spacing and writing mode vertical LR. Now let's set the style background image. Container cards, pick. Its width will be 400 pixel and its height 200 pixel. I will share this picture with you. And background image. Image 1, sorry. And background size 100% and 100%. We add filter grayscale 100% to make the picture black and white. And that. Now let's style social media icons. Cut to background image, image 2. And social media icons, position absolute, 60 pixel from left, 0 from top. And display flex to align. We made space around to divide them horizontally. Align item center to align vertically. The total width will be 180 pixel and the height will be 64 pixel. And border radius 680 pixel. Sorry, 64 pixel. And transition delay when hovering of the cards. So we are going to set how long after the transition effect is on the card. When we get the top of the card, it will be 0.4 seconds for the first icon, 1 second for the second icon, 2 seconds for the third icon, and 1 second for the fourth icon. and second icon 0.3 seconds, sorry. On the card, the opacity of the icons will be 1 and transform scale 1. For this, we use the hover component. And transform scale 1 step. The first icon, second icon, third icon and fourth icon. Now let's add style to the button. Position will be absolute, right and bottom 14 pixel, right 14, bottom 14 pixel. The width and height will be 30 pixel, width 30, height 30, border radius 30 pixel, outline and border none. Cursor will be pointer and background color. This is for the first button, an orange. Transition effect. And mix blend mode, highlight. The button inside the second card will have a blue background. When the card is hovered, the button will grow, so we make a transform scale 16.5. It's good. When hovering the cards, we remove the black and white feature of the background image, so we did grayscale 0. We set the paragraph label. The color of the paragraph label will be white when hovering over the card. And that's it. I think we made a good card. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for videos like this. Have a nice day.